Fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit, little bit, little bit more.